as that skirt's drying and that skirt's drying, we had a dark spell right here again. Yay. Of course it doesn't like to focus on that, but after last night, let's see if this is dry enough. I had an epiphany with this car. I don't know. I don't really want to half-ass the shit. Ooh, grill stuff. As much as I usually would. And by half-ass, I mean just knock something out and call it good. Like the throttle cable bracket. New one. Let's see if it's gonna focus on not me on this. But, of course it's not going to. Went through, TIG welded it, adjusted it so it actually works correct. We're gonna bolt that on in a second. I just wanna grab the old one, do a little comparison here. Let's go like this. Move the drill bits here, and we'll set these down. This one's nothing fancy, but that's just not gonna do. So, quality. Quality, quality, quality. That's what we're gonna go for with this car. So, takes me to my next point. While the body kit's painting and being dried, this is what's holding this fender in place. Zip tied there. All these zip ties. Meh. I don't like how this is adapted down. I don't like how they have a spacer in there for the boot. This is okay. I mean, it doesn't bother me too much. But, let's see, I started something here with my hands. We're gonna go ahead and jump into getting some actual brackets on. And of course, it starts pouring. Hopefully my skirt is dry. Washington. Why? Why? It was so sunny this morning, and now rain. But, yep, jump into getting some headlight brackets done and getting the kit mounted. That's the main thing for today. Kit on. Skirts, rear, front, which will be a little bit intensive because I'm guessing we're going to have to modify that front bar. Those headlights are really low for it, so I'm guessing there will be a cut. And then this will get dropped down and I'll slug it in the middle to keep its rigidity. But I say but a lot. Let's jump into that. Bam, there we go. Now we got one side done. We're gonna go ahead and jump on this side. You know, it wasn't nothing fancy. Literally, I mean, 5-10 minutes tops. The rigidity is there. The factory seal bracket's holding it solid. I'm not worried about any of that anymore. I would love to clean out the core support, but you know what? The only cleaning I'm gonna do is where it touches on the elbows, and then so I can delete this. The PBM high mount isn't going anywhere. I really want to upsize this because they just downsized it and it's the exact same size of the two downside people. But let's go ahead and make this one look like that one with magic. Bam, magic. I love doing that now. So this guy has been sitting decently long and is dried to the touch. Gonna go ahead and get some primer on this one and then the rear and start mocking those up. But my favorite part about this is when you have a nice car with nice quality products, gktech, and you're an idiot and you rub through them because you don't have them zip tied, you know, up or away from your wheel. Instead it rubbed in the barrel. And you get a hold of gktech and you tell them, hey, I was about to buy a whole splitter rear stainless line kit and I was wondering, could you guys possibly hook it up with a left side stainless line for your dual caliper setup? I'll buy one. And they're gonna hook it up with one. God, I love gktech. Shout out to them always. Of course, all it wants to do is try and rain and sprinkle, but we got it test fit. We got it on, and it works. There's a couple spots I want to touch up. The KBD did not take the black the way I wanted it to, and I think it's because this is more like a plastic than anything. So I'm gonna actually get some more primer, prime it, sand it, probably prime it again, and then actually shoot some black onto it then. Ooh, I'm just noticing that's what that lip is for, to hold the center up to the grill. Oh, that's cool. Learn new things every day, I guess, huh? But look at that. It is something. I need to get some better wheels because those are all spares. Hopefully for park. Hopefully. We got some brand new Ironmans, a couple Missies and those, but let's just take it in after that B-roll. I think this is something else. Quite the car. Let's see. Oh, where are you out there? God, you're something. So, it's gonna be a little bit of a short video today. Didn't get as much done as I wanted. Got the seat brackets cut off of this thing because they were welded on. Basically just set the interior back together, kinda. Went through a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna be selling some parts in a few minutes, so mainly why it's gonna be a short video today. But we also got some stuff. These are V-bands, which are gonna go with all of this down here. It's all stainless. And we're wondering what all that stainless is for. That would all be for, I'm gonna have to set you guys up because I can't pick it up by myself with one hand. Something for the Envoy. And like we said, 1,000 horsepower Envoy, 1,200 horsepower rated turbo, 8375 VS Racing, billet wheel, V-band everything that you could possibly wish. And we got the 60mm gate also from VS, but I think I left the box. Meh. Need to get you tilted a little bit. I think I left the box in my bedroom. So we're gonna shove that back in here. But that means the Envoy will get updates soon after the 240 and probably after park in a week and a half. But I'm down 2 injectors and a manifold for that. So we'll go ahead and let you guys go with this one and catch you guys on the next one. Like we said, daily updates, and I know tomorrow I get a water pump and some goodies, so we might hear the SR just actually run and drive.